I'm Professor Janet Day. I teach political theory for the Political Science Department. This is POLS 203, American Political Thought. We will meet Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 11 a.m. and go to 11:50. This will be online synchronous instruction. For this semester, you will want to purchase American Political Thought, a Norton anthology. Make sure that you get the 2009 edition. It has all of the readings we'll need for the semester, and it will save you money. Now, this course is taught using the Socratic method. What is the Socratic method? Well, I have a quote from Professor Kingsfield from the movie The Paper Chase. Here, he says, we use the Socratic method. I call on you, I ask you a question, you answer it. Why don't I just give you a lecture? Because through my questions, you learn to teach yourselves. By this method of questioning, answering, we seek to develop in you the ability to analyze that vast complex of facts that constitutes the relationship of members within a given society. So we will have many days readings from the anthology, and I will ask you to answer 2 out of a list of factual questions and answer all of the opinion questions, generally 1 or 2. You will type this up as a reaction paper. You will upload that to a Dropbox on Blackboard. Then during class, we will meet into small groups. You will share your answers with your group, and they will share their answers with you, and you will have conversations about what you read and what you think it means. If there's enough time, you can also work on discussing the opinion questions. Now, I expect you in your small groups to ask your fellow group mates questions about what they perceive to be the answers. That way we can get a dialogue going. We'll do that for 20-25 minutes, and then we'll open up the discussion to the entire class, during which we will make sure that everybody's on the same page for all of the factual questions, and most days we'll have time to discuss the opinion questions as well. So that's the general gist of the process for this semester.